Every year, corrosion is costing billions to the industry. This corrosion doesn't merely make the assets appear neglected. More importantly, it causes structural instability and consequently poses a serious safety hazard. It also causes severe disruption of the production process and thus profitability. For centuries, people have been trying to find a method to prevent corrosion. Until recently, the two principal methods could be summarized as active and passive protection. Active protection, through galvanic action, was mainly represented by hot-dip galvanization industry, while the products of the paint and coating industry provided the means to create passive barrier protection. In 1981, Zinger Metall was established to provide a new and revolutionary solution to this global problem. The innovating product Zinger, that continues to be its flagship today, was developed in cooperation with the University of Ghent and the international metal processing company Umicore. The growth of Zinger Metall has been achieved by setting and maintaining high standards, including excellent product quality and strong technical support to specifiers, distributors and end-user customers at all levels. From the beginning, the Zinger Metall distribution network was successfully expanded to a worldwide availability of the full product range. Zinger Metall is proud to deliver the highest levels of customer satisfaction. Zinger Metall's main product is the high-quality film galvanizing system Zinger. Zinger differentiates from other anti-corrosion methods in combining both passive and active protection in an easily applied film galvanizing system that not only delivers active cathodic protection, but also provides a passive physical shield. Zinger's cathodic protection properties, like those of hot-dip galvanization, are achieved because of its very high zinc content in the dry film, combined with the exceptional purity of this zinc, which has been processed using the most modern techniques. Added to this are 2 layers of passive barrier protection. The first comes from Zinger's extraordinary binder, and then in time, as the active zinc layer begins to react with the environment, a secondary complementary zinc oxide and carbonate layer will form. To demonstrate the working principle of Zinger, a metal substrate coated with either a paint or Zinger are shown on a time-lapse. As the environment works in on both layers, the paint will weather and start to show cracks, leaving the structure exposed to the elements and consequently to corrosion. The obtained cathodic couple Zinger provides will corrode in favor of the metallic substrate, thus protecting the latter. Upon impact, the paint will flake off and will leave the metal unprotected. Zinger's throwing power will ensure an active protection as an electron flow prevents corrosion of the metal. In short, the zinc corrodes, so the structure won't. Now, how does Zinger differ from hot-dip galvanization? If you wanted to hot-dip an old corroding structure, you would have to dismantle it first, transport it to the galvanizing plant, transport it back to site and reassemble it. Clearly, that isn't possible with the vast majority of structures, but you can use Zinger on site to apply that galvanic layer of zinc directly onto non-galvanized structures, instantly protecting the metal substrate. But it doesn't stop here. Zinger allows you to recharge spent and/or damaged galvanization by reloading the old galvanized layer with additional zinc, restoring its original performance. So how is Zinger applied? Surface preparation is key to a good performance of any coating. After cleaning, a blasting provides adequate roughness. Zinger is a single component system, and after thorough stirring, it can simply be applied using a brush or a roller, or using compressed air or airless spraying. Zinger doesn't require any specialized equipment, and it can be applied on site. It will dry within minutes. Zinger is extremely moisture and temperature tolerant and has unlimited shelf life. The application of Zinger is as easy, if not easier, than applying a paint. Zinger Metall doesn't focus on Zinger alone. Zinger Metall also offers a 2-component water-based film galvanizing system called AquaZinger for structures exposed to extreme temperatures. It completes with a wide range of high-quality PU and epoxy sealers and topcoats that require specific finishes. It's simple. Zingermetal provides the solutions you need.